Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Have you ever wished trading could be simple? Just one clear signal that tells you when to buy or sell? In this video, I'll show you an easy 1-minute binary strategy using the ADX indicator with default settings. All you need to watch is two lines, the red line and the yellow line. When they cross, they give us a clue about market direction. I'll explain the setup, the rules, and I'll also show you when not to trade, so you don't make beginner mistakes. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand this, you'll be able to practice it on demo and test it yourself. Quick heads up before we start. Trading is risky. This video is educational only, not financial advice. You can lose money, so practice on a demo first and never risk funds you can't afford to lose. First, open your chart with 1-minute candles. Our trade expiry will also be 1 minute. Add the average directional index, ADX, with its default settings. Most platforms set the period to 14. For a buy trade, first, watch the red line and the yellow line. When the red line crosses upward above the yellow line, it shows strength is moving upward. Next, confirm that the candle where the cross happens closes bullish, or at least in the top half of its body. Once that candle closes, enter a 1-minute buy trade on the very next candle. For a sell trade, watch again for the red and yellow lines. When the red line crosses downward below the yellow line, strength is shifting downward. Confirm that the candle where the cross happens closes bearish, or near the bottom half of its body. After that candle closes, place a 1-minute sell trade on the next candle. Now, very important, times to avoid trading. Skip trades when the red line is flat because the market is too weak. Skip trades when the red and yellow lines are tangled together with no clean cross. And always avoid trades right after a major news spike, because those signals can be false. Remember, skipping a bad trade is as powerful as taking a good one. Always manage your risk. Risk only 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. Have a daily rule. Stop after 4 to 5 wins, or stop if you lose 2 trades in a row. Never increase trade size to chase losses. Discipline is what keeps you in the game long term. You'll find the full indicator settings, bonus trading tips, and helpful links in the description below, so check that out. Let's take this live and see how it performs on real candles. Right now. All right, I'm taking a sell trade here. Watch the lines at the bottom. The red line moves down and crosses below the yellow line. At the same time, this 1-minute candle closes bearish near the lower half. So momentum agrees with the cross. I wait for the candle to close, then I place a 1-minute sell trade on the next candle. While this trade is running, quick note for you. Stay till the end of the video because I'll show the full summary of today's trading session straight from the platform. Number of trades, wins, losses, and net result. This one finishes in profit. Why it worked. The red line stayed below the yellow line after the entry, and price continued lower for the next minute. Remember, not every trade will win. That's normal. I'm taking a buy trade here. Look at the lines below. The red line pushes up and crosses above the yellow line. The signal candle just closed bullish. So I'm not jumping mid-candle. I enter a 1-minute buy trade on the next candle. Now the trade is running. I want the red line to keep rising and stay above the yellow line. But notice what happens. The candles slow down, bodies get smaller, and the red line starts to flatten. That tells me the push is losing strength. A small pullback is normal, but when price stalls at the same level for a few candles, momentum is weak. This one finishes in loss. The move didn't continue. The red line flattened, and price failed to push higher within our 1-minute window. Losses are a normal part of trading. What matters is following the plan. Wait for the cross, confirm with the candle close, enter on the next candle, keep risk 1 to 2%, and move on to the next clean setup. I'm taking a buy trade here. Look at the lines below. The red line pushes up and crosses above the yellow line. The signal candle just closed bullish, so I wait for that close and enter a 1-minute buy trade on the next candle. Now the trade is live. I want the red line to keep rising and stay above the yellow line. Small pullbacks are normal, but I don't want to see the red line flatten. Price is holding higher, candles are building, so momentum is still with the buy. This one finishes in profit. It worked because the red line stayed above the yellow line and price kept pushing up through the next minute. Not every setup will win. That's normal. What matters is following the plan. Wait for the cross, confirm with the candle close, enter on the next candle, and keep risk small. As promised, here's today's session summary straight from the platform. You can see the list of trades with results, wins and losses included, so everything is transparent. Remember, trading is risky, and this video is educational only. Please practice on a demo before using real money. If this strategy helped, comment red and yellow below to let me know you watched till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for indicator settings and bonus tips. I'll see you in the next session.